Mastering foreshadowing in English writing. Hello, aspiring writers and English language enthusiasts. Today we're going to dive into an exciting aspect of creative writing: foreshadowing. Foreshadowing is a powerful tool in a writer's toolkit that can transform your story, adding depth and suspense. Let's learn about its different types and how to use them effectively in your writing. First things first, foreshadowing is a literary device that writers use to hint at what is to come later in the story. It's like leaving breadcrumbs for readers, leading them towards a specific event or outcome. Foreshadowing can be subtle or more overt, but its main purpose is to build suspense and anticipation. Foreshadowing can take several forms. Today, we're going to focus on three main types: Chekhov's gun, prophecy, and symbolic foreshadowing. Chekhov's gun. Chekhov's gun is a concept that comes from Anton Chekhov, a Russian playwright and short story writer. The idea is simple. If there's a rifle hanging on the wall in the first act, it should be fired by the third. This type of foreshadowing emphasizes that every element in a story should be necessary and irreplaceable. So if you mention something early on in your story, it should have a purpose later on. Prophecy. The next type is prophecy. This is when a future event is predicted outright in the story. Prophecies are clear and explicit forms of foreshadowing, often seen in fantasy and adventure stories. They can hint at major plot points, building tension as readers anticipate when and how the prophecy will come true. Symbolic foreshadowing. Lastly, we have symbolic foreshadowing. This is when an object, event, or even a character symbolically hints at something that will happen later. For example, dark clouds on the horizon could foreshadow a challenging event. Symbolic foreshadowing can be very subtle, requiring readers to think deeply about the potential meaning behind various elements in the story. While using foreshadowing can create suspense and intrigue, it's important to strike a balance. Too much foreshadowing can give away your plot, while too little might confuse your readers. Remember, foreshadowing should enhance your story, not dominate it. Practice using these three types of foreshadowing in your writing to add depth and make your story more engaging for your readers. And that's our journey through the fascinating world of foreshadowing in English writing. We've covered what foreshadowing is, the different types of foreshadowing, and how to use them effectively. Hopefully, you've gained a deeper understanding of this writing technique. Try experimenting with Chekhov's gun, prophecy, and symbolic foreshadowing in your writing, and see the wonderful impact they can have on your stories. Thanks for watching, and keep on writing.